Hey guys, today we're in Carter Granger's beautiful kitchen and we are making a fresh and zesty chicken noodle and herb salad. We're going to be cooking the chicken in the Miele steam oven with some beautiful aromatics like garlic, ginger, kaffir lime. It's going to be so delicious. Let's get into it. First up, add 270 ml of coconut cream to a non-perforated steam oven tray. Add the freshly sliced ginger, finely shredded kaffir lime leaves and the roughly sliced garlic cloves. Place the chicken on top and sprinkle with a pinch of salt. Steam at 85 degrees Celsius for 35 minutes. Remove the chicken from the steam oven and set aside to rest for 10 minutes. Cook and drain the noodles as per the packet instructions, then set aside in a large serving bowl. In a large bowl, combine the sliced cucumber, coriander leaves, Thai basil leaves, Vietnamese mint leaves, and the zest and juice of 1 lime. Add the coconut and peanuts, then toss to combine. Combine the dressing ingredients in a small bowl, stir to combine, and then set aside. Now remove the chicken from the tray and strain the coconut sauce into a jug or bowl. Now add 3/4 of the salad to the noodles along with half of the coriander dressing, then toss to combine. Pour 3/4 of a cup of the coconut sauce over the noodles, then toss to combine. Finally slice the chicken and add to the noodle salad. Top with the remaining herb salad, coriander dressing, some extra lime zest, and serve. So there you go guys, my steamed coconut and ginger chicken with a herb and noodle salad. This one's fresh and healthy while being so delicious and packed full of so much flavour. And that chicken cooks perfectly every time in the Miele steam oven. I think you're really gonna love this recipe. Hope you give it a go.